Hey guys, what's up? All that's top trading reviews. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're having a look at Euro NZD. This is my VAP trading signal that I sent. It's currently reached take profit 1. I'll show you some of the ideas I used and hopefully this improves your trading skills as a forex trader. If you haven't already, make sure to join our VAP trading signals. We are literally dominating the markets. Anyway, to start, so let's have a look. What's happening currently? We had this push towards the upside, right? This push over here was broken towards the downside. Started to consolidate. Look what's currently happening. The moving averages are actually curving towards the downside. As you can see over here, it was curving towards the downside. They swapped areas, which is what you want to see. The 50 over here, the 25 over here, currently shooting towards the downside. If we have a look a little bit close on the 4 hourly, as you can see, it's still like on the uptrend it seems, but it's late and it's not an uptrend anymore. Why is it not an uptrend? Well, if we have a look over here, look at this. This trend was respected 1, 2, 3 times, right? So it's a nice uptrend. If you watch my videos on my second channel, you know that 1, 2, 3 touches, shot towards the upside, respected trend. This trend has now been broken towards the downside, right, with this move over here. If we have a look a little bit closer on the 1 hourly time frame, we see this movement, right? 1, 2, 3 touches, right, respect the move towards the upside, then boom, it shot down. Why did it shot down and why was this respected and why was this move important? Well, if we have a look over here, this was still a valid trend line, right? But look what's happened. What is this? If you have been watching my videos, I expect you guys to know what is this. This is a bearish engulfing candle close. Why is it a bearish engulfing candle close? Well, if we have a look at these two candles over here, the red one is a bearish engulfing candle. Why? Because it swallows the previous candle. The previous candle was much smaller than the red. The red candle is much bigger, so it's a bearish engulfing candle. It shows that the market is starting to gain control to the bear side, and the bears are in the market. So after a push, there's exhaustion, always an exhaustion. So there's the push, there's the exhaustion, right? The exhaustion towards the upside. Where is the usual exhaustion? Towards the previous area of sensitivity. The previous area of sensitivity was here, the trend line. We also see an area of sensitivity, this rectangle tool over here, showing us an area of resistance, right? So this was an important move. It started to shoot towards the downside, right? This move towards the downside was very important, but do you enter on this move over here? No, you don't, because we know that there's a lower low here. We need to break this lower low, because after that push there was exhaustion. We know that this was the previous lower low. This is our main area of sensitivity, right? Main area of support. So we need to break this. After it was broken with this candlestick, what usually happens after a push, there's exhaustion. Where was this exhaustion? To the previous area of sensitivity, which was this zone over here. Let me mark it with the rectangle tool. This zone over here, then started to shoot towards the downside. Now if it breaks this area over here, let's just have a look at the 30 minutes or something like that. On the 30-minute time frame, as you can see, it already has broken, so it'll probably have some sort of exhaustion, which it seems like it did, and then it's gonna shoot towards the downside, continuing this push towards the downside and making us money. This trade that I'm showing you now has actually already reached our take profit 1 level. If I just quickly show you my MetaTrader 4, as you can see, I have only 2 trades open. My first trade, that take profit 1, has already been closed. It closed off with around $120 in profit. Currently we are running the take profit 2 and take profit 3 levels. I haven't adjusted my stop loss yet, but I will do. Usually what you need to do is, if take profit 1 is reached, you move your stop loss to the entry price, the price you have entered. So the price in this case is 1.79994, right? So you change the stop loss to that exact price number. This is why I say move stop loss to entry for risk-free traders. So even if these 2 trades now turn around, you won't be losing any more money, and the potential to win money is still high because it's currently on a downtrend, making new lower lows. Some of you guys confuse forex way too much and become not successful, not profitable, and this shouldn't be the case. Really, you need to think psychologically what is really happening. As you can see, if this candlestick pushes towards the downside a little bit more, makes a nice, lower low. It'll probably continue its push towards the downside unless it finds area of sensitivity here, then it might push towards the upside to the previous area of resistance, which was probably this zone. This is the strong resistance, so let me just write SR if I can do that. There we go, strong resistance. Why is this a strong resistance? Well, it has been respected multiple times towards the upside. As you can see, broke out over here, was respected here as well, but the moving averages are moving towards the downside, so this will be like a junction. As you can see, like a road junction. It'll probably shoot towards the upside, and then it'll have like a roundabout going down towards the downside, making probably a lower low. And if it does make a lower low from these candlesticks over here, shooting towards the downside, is probably gonna shoot another I don't know, 160 pips profit probably. So somewhere around here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this little analysis. If you want me to do more, I have a literally Forex only trading channel. No reviews or nothing. Literal Forex channel. It's called FX Trading Lion. So make sure to subscribe. And if you want to join our VIP Trading Signals group, you're more than welcome to. It will be the first link down in the description below. We are literally dominating the markets. Make sure to read all the feedback on Instagram and Telegram. Scroll towards the upside if you want to see a little bit more. And take care, guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace out, stay safe, and goodbye.